Hello beauties, welcome to Women Hairstyles. I just want you guys to check out those beautiful short haircut that is good for beautiful matured women. And one thing about this haircut is if you're looking for that hairstyles that will take many years off your age, you want that low maintenance modern haircut that will always make you look so natural, make you look so gorgeous. I just want you guys to please sit down and watch this video to the end, because this hairstyle is perfect for beautiful women over 50 that's always seeking a mix of edge and manageability, because you can see how this hairstyle works wonders on all face shape, and they will always add volume to beautiful matured women's hair. And one thing about the style is that it will always add that ease of styling, and it requires low maintenance to keep the style looking so intentional. I just love this haircut because it's a dynamic kind of style that we always give it a contemporary twist on the classic, with a blend of a darker roots easing into lighter tips for that dynamic contrast. And one thing with the style, it provides that playful age to our mid-40s, like those mid-40s looks, while still maintaining a manageable style. So a bit of styling product can always accentuate the hair texture, and you can see how the haircut is perfect for beautiful women that have thin hair. So one thing with the styles is that it's really the haircut that will give you that bold look, and it's always a style that will make you look beautiful and always make people out there to turn eyes in every occasion. Look at how this haircut brings sophistication and is ideally suited for a square shaped face and fine hair. You can see how the style really creates that voluminous top, enhancing the hair's natural texture. So for women in their 50s, it's a stylish choice that's easy to maintain, and you can see how it requires just little product, because it will always make your hair look so shiny and give your hair that healthy look you want. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Still up to Women Hairstyles, and see you guys in my next video.